Okay, we're continuing with section 6.4. This equation, which of course you're asked to both solve and then check, this equation is referred to as a rational equation. The main reason for that, not only is does the equation have ratios in it, but there's a variable in the denominator. When I teach my students to solve rational equations, the first thing I have them do is not to worry about clearing fractions. I have them state what are called RVs. Not recreational vehicles, people, but restricted values. A restricted value is any number that would make a denominator become 0. So in this first case, the restricted value would be -7. So what I write is x cannot equal -7. In this denominator, the restricted value would be 6. Because if I put in a 6, it would make the denominator become 0. X cannot equal 6. So my two restricted values are -7 and 6. And at the end of the problem, when I'm checking my answer, what I'm really doing is making sure that I did not get any of my restrictions. Okay? All right, what I now do, I think the easiest way to do this problem, whenever you have a proportion, one fraction equal another fraction, is to cross multiply. 7 times x minus 6 is equal to 6 times the quantity x plus 7. When I distribute here, I get 7x minus 42. When I distribute here, I get 6x plus 42. And now I'm going to bring all my x's to the left, my numbers to the right. I'm going to add 42 to both sides of the equation. I'm also going to subtract 6x. When I do that, I'm left with x, 1x, or x, equals 84. Now, the reason 84 is my answer, and if I wanted to, I could even put it in a solution set. The reason 84 is my answer is not only did we do the work correctly, but it is not one of my restricted values. If it had been a restriction, I would have crossed it out and written no solution or empty set. And we're done. The answer is 84. X equals 84.